the clauses you must add in your contract with your Chinese suppliers. I call them three important clauses: the product specification clause, the penalty clause, and the governing law and legal fee clause. Why I say the product specification clause, I put that in the first place because in many cases I saw why international buyers lose their money in their transactions is because they say, I ordered from a Chinese company, they don't deliver me good quality. But what's the standards for defining is a good quality or bad quality? It's not clear in their order. So when you say this supplier ship me bad quality products, right, there is no standard to judge on that. So the first thing is we need to put it very clear. What's the products you order? What's your requirements for the specification? What are the license and certificates you request? What kind of package you need? What kind of marks they should put on the products? This should be stated very clear in writing in your contract. That's the first thing. The second part of important clause is the penalty clause. Penalty for late delivery, penalty for quality failure, penalty for less quantity delivered, penalty for lack of due license and certificates, penalty for wrong package. We need to put it very clear what's the penalty, how to calculate the amount for the penalty. And final part is governing law, dispute resolution, and legal fee expenses. Governing law means which law we use in the contract. Normally speaking, I will advise you to use Chinese law. The reason is when you are going after a Chinese company to recover your loss, use Chinese law and Chinese courts. This is more efficient. For example, you use Chinese courts. When you start a case, you can apply the court to freeze your supplier's bank account. This is a very important advantage, right? Chinese law, Chinese courts, and a clause stating that in this contract, whoever breached the contract, they should compensate the non-breaching party all the legal fees when you need to take the case to the court. This is Larry Zhou. I'm partner attorney from Landing Law Offices China. Landing is an international law firm based in China. Here we have more than 35 offices with more than 1,500 legal professionals. And if you have any China-related legal matters, please feel free to contact us.